Chaos in Mile 12, Ojota, Agege and other parts of Lagos as residents riot over unavailability of Naira notes.
I'm coming from Ikorodu now, so I have to turn back. Everybody is turning back to Ikorodu. There is shooting, heavy shooting. You can see cars going back to Ikorodu inside BRT, facing the cars coming out of Ikorodu. You can see everybody running, serious running. It's not an easy task this morning. Avoid Mile 12. If you are inside Ikorodu, don't even bother to come out. Just safety first in everything you do. It's only God that just saved me this morning that I have to turn back from that Mile 12 axis. It was in my presence, but I couldn't pick up my phone to do video. But I think I'm getting myself now. You can see.
Go forward, you Jared.
Àwọn èèyàn ṣì ń sá o.
Ṣé mi sọ fún kọ́ pààyàn? Ṣé mi sọ fún?
Àwọn mi ti dé, àwọn mi ti dé, wọ́n ti dé. Àwọn sójà ti dé o.